Welcome back to Nate's Auto Repair. Today we have a 2002 Mercedes E55, I believe. It's going to be the same for most of the Mercedes smaller cars, though. We're going to do an oil life reset or a service now reset. So we have the car in the on position with the engine off, so accessory. We have our center screen here. We're going to go to our arrows on the left side of the wheel and find the service A exceeded message, or even if it's not exceeded and you want to reset it. Now we are going to go to the left side of the dash here, and there's a little R for reset. So we're going to hold that R until this changes. Now when it comes up, you let go of the R and then hold it down again. And there you go. That service is reset. And if you have any more that are in need of resetting, you just do the same exact thing. You just find them with the arrows and do it that way. If this video helped you guys out, please hit that like button, hit that comment button, and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.